Talking about social media in organizations, well, I think it's part of a much broader change that's sweeping the times that we live in. If you look at the way most organizations are shaping up and way most markets are shaping up, there's a larger trend at work of saying, we want more transparency, we want more openness in both society, in both organizations, in industries. So what I think is whole trend of social media actually lies embedded in larger trends that are changing our world as we know it. People don't want to be sitting on the sidelines anymore. People want to be engaged with who's running their lives, who's has a stake in their lives, and they want themselves to have a stake in their lives. This could be true for politics, this could be true for societal changes, and this is increasingly true of organizations. People don't want to be connected with, people want to be connected with each other and don't want to be looking at where let somebody else have a say in their life. And that is why with today's generation embracing these technologies and both external factors such as availability of technology at a much lower cost to help put out one's thoughts and accept that other people will talk back and converse with them. It's an imperative for organizations that want to be engaged with both customers, partners and employees to use these technologies to help that connect with them in a larger way. So what has happened is people are not purely listeners anymore. They want to be creators, they want to get their views out, and understanding where that view is coming from is imperative for both organizations as well as societal trends to recognize that. And we'll see a lot more expression of this creative ability of both employees, partners, suppliers. So tomorrow's organization is going to be the one that can leverage the creative energies of its people to create the new organization. And that is why using these technologies and tools is critical for an organization to remain relevant to both customers, employees, as well as its partners.